This is a Burstner Lyseo Time motorhome, 707 centimeters long. This will sleep 5, and I'm going to show it to you very quickly. So we've got some steps up to get into it, and to my right you can see it's on a Fiat automatic gearbox, one captain's chair. This one of course doesn't turn around. We have got this dinette here which also will convert into a bed. It's got 6 belted positions here. It says 5 sleeping places. I reckon you could get 6 in it. Over here we've got the kitchen. We've got 3 burners plus a sink. We've got storage below it, storage above it. We've got a fridge here which is a tower fridge, and next to that we have got here a wardrobe at boiler below down there. At the rear we find a bed, windows at either side, storage along the back wall. There's also a net here to stop you falling out, and a ladder to climb up into bed with. Here we've got the shower, there's the toilet sink, and of course this will move backwards and forwards, and there's your shower should you want it. Over there we've got, in the alcove as they say in German, we've got 2 sleeping places as well, and there's the television. Let's have a quick look outside. It comes with a large garage which you can see here. Pretty large garage, I would say, a very good size. We've got space for 3 bicycles on the back as well. Now this is a 2019 model. It's available now should you be interested. Garage door on this side, also pretty large. It's in very good condition, and if you're interested in something like this, then you can get it. There's a link below to where it can be got from. Also there's a longer video giving more details which you might also want to see, and if it's already been put up then a link will be found below. But for the moment, thanks for watching. Hope you found that interesting. There's a lot of videos on this site. I upload every day at 21:15 and occasionally other times as well. For the moment, thanks and goodbye from Heilbronn, Germany.